Hi everyone and welcome to Nikki's Kitchen. Today I will be steaming sea bass. So let's start cooking. Here I have 1 pound of Chilean sea bass. Scale the fish and rinse under cold water and then pat dry. Before preparing your vegetables, go ahead and boil a pot of water in your steamer. Also, the vegetables you'll need to garnish the fish is green onions, ginger, and cilantro. You'll need about 3 to 4 slices of ginger and 2 green onions cut in half. Once you're done, it should look like this. With the 2 green onions that you cut in half earlier on, along with the big slices of ginger, place that under the fish. This will allow the fish to cook evenly. Once the water has boiled, place the rack on the steamer and steam the fish for roughly about 10 minutes. Once the fish has been steamed for 10 minutes, remove the fish and slowly pour out the liquid. Don't lose the fish! Once you have poured out the liquid, remove the spring onions and ginger from under the fish. At this point, don't turn off the stove and continue to let the water boil. Once all the vegetables are removed from under the fish, it is time to garnish the fish with ginger, green onions, and cilantro. Place the sea bass back onto the steamer and add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Remember to actually pour it around the fish and then steam for 5 minutes. Whilst the sea bass is steaming for 5 minutes, in a pot add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and 1 tablespoon of dried shallots, and stir until the oil is hot. Once the shallots is done, quickly pour over the fish. Can you hear it sizzle? And here you have it, sea bass with green onions and ginger. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye for now and see you next time.